Hello friends and welcome to A.K. Agarwal Aptitude Series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on boats and stream. Here the given problem is speed of a boat in standing water is 9 km per hour and the speed of the stream is 1.5 km per hour. A man rows to a place at a distance of 105 km and comes back to the starting point. The total time taken by him is. Now there are four options. Now friends, if you see here, he is going to a distance 105 km and he is coming back 105 km, but his boat speed is 9 km per hour in still water and speed of the stream is 1.5 km per hour. So just on one side he will be rowing against the stream and on one side he will be rowing towards the stream. So just let us find out boat speed upstream means when he is rowing against the stream. Speed of the boat in still water is 9 and when he is rowing against the stream means there will be a difference of the two speeds and 1.5 km per hour is the speed of the stream. So boat speed against the stream is 7.5 km per hour. Now and with this 7.5 km per hour he travels a distance 105 km. Now boat speed downstream, when stream and boat they are flowing in the same direction, speed of the boat will increase certainly and it will be 9 plus 1.5 will be 10.5 km per hour. We know time is equal to distance upon speed. So for going, distance is 105, speed is 7.5 and for coming back distance is 105 and speed is 10.5. So total time taken will be 105 divided by 7.5. This much time he will take for going to the place and 105 divided by 10.5. This much time he will take while returning. This will be equal to 14 plus 10 is equal to 24 hours. So answer is 24. Thank you very much friends. You can follow me on Facebook also.